they got for lunch today? Big old tray of stroganoff.
And honestly, because we are booking out so far, what I would suggest is, like, if you are feeling pretty strongly about...
How many tint jobs do you have today?
I got four.
Okay.
Tesla Model S plaid full wrap.
I say, you want me to tuck my t-shirt into my jorts, and then we can go talk about that red Corvette?
Looks like a tight squeeze back there.
Oh, it's a little tight.
Don't worry, I got these.
What's that getting?
Full wrap, full stealth wrap. It's gonna be matte black.
Hey there.
How's it going?
Pretty good, how are you? Dude, are you gonna do the daily for today?
Am I doing it?
Yeah, dude, I'm gonna be on this all day.
Some door sills. Some door sills?
I have to seam them all together. I have to bulk every single one.
You're gonna be on door sills for the next 8 hours.
He's picking up at 3.
2 stealth wraps to do this week.
Good about Teslas. I don't take Corvette.
You wanna switch? Okay.
Saying, I need to start that too. So how do you expect me to do this, that, and then also start a Corvette?
So the way I see it is you do the daily today and you finish that up, and then you have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to do 1 car, and I have the rest of today, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to do 2 cars.
But we also have dailies the rest of the week.
Well, we're not gonna figure it out talking right now.
Crap, I forgot what I came over here for. We're pretty sure it was one of these.
What's the worst car you've tinted so far?
Most difficult?
Yeah.
Dude, it had to have been a Honda Accord. I just couldn't get that back window to save my life.
Oh, jeez. As soon as he's done with that, we're gonna go get ourselves some stroganoff. Yeah!
Would you do yoke or no yoke?
No yoke.
Why not? Have you driven one?
With a yoke? Yeah.
Yeah. You don't like it?
No.
What don't you like about
Have
it?
you seen Lexus's new technology?
No.
Drive-by-wire or steer-by-wire?
Wire? What do you mean?
Like I'll put a steering input in a steering wheel or steering yoke, and it's not connected mechanically, it's connected electronically to steer the wheel. It's very controversial right now.
You know, that's a common technology in lens focusing.
Really?
Yeah, by motor or by wire.
I didn't know that. So we have some common ground. But
Now,
the
reason why you do wire in a lens is so that you know the throw every time.
Okay.
Is that the same reason why?
So the benefit of having it by wire is you could have a yoke and you could turn this much and it'd be at full lock, and then you could turn it back like this and it'd be at full lock the other way. Now the faster you go, like on the highway, it's more sensitive to that. So if you do this on the highway, it's not going to go to full lock. It's going to be much less, but
Right.
it's continuously variable. So you can control the Lexus completely just by doing this.
Good old Katy Perry. I gotta ask, how much for the whole tray?
Here.
Wait, what is that?
Say ah.
What is that? I can't see it from here. Is that what I think it is?
Say here, open your
Are
mouth.
you kidding me? No. Are you being serious? Is that from donors? Dude, can you buy me some, please?
It's so delicious.
It's like $7. I'll give you $10. You guys set me up, dude.
With them making the stroganoff?
No, you're like, hey, I want to taste it in. I want to check in on what's going on there. We just want to talk to you. And then I tune in, and Isaiah's sitting there at my desk eating my favorite food.